Okay, come on. Let's get you, see if we can get you a little burp. Turn around. There you go. Get your nose off the table. There's nothing there for you. Molly, you're too big and strong. Give me your burp. Give me a little burp. Oh, that was a good little one. That was a good little one. Do you have more in there? You got some more? Hi, thank you. Oh, I don't want your kisses right now. You got grody dog food breath. But thank you. Thank you so much. I think that's all you had, bud. I think that's all you had. Yeah, go lay in your chair. Good girl.